Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you another USD earn site here. Basically, this is a Telegram mining where you can earn free XRP coins. Okay, and you can also investment here. I will show you all further details here in this video, that how you can register your account here, how you can start your mining, its daily rewards, Steam income, its withdrawal system. It's all further details in this video. But friends, because it's a paid promotional video, so if you're not making any investment here and in condition of loss, I'm not responsible for any of your loss here, so make sure to your own research and then invest here. Friends, first of all, I already provide you a registration link in description. You have to just click the link, and you can open in this and Telegram. You can see what this bot can do. You can simply click here in the start. You can see, friends, there are two options. First, you have to click on login. Okay, first you have to click on login. After that, you can see, friends, you have to now click on register. After clicking register, you have to put your mail here, or you can sign up with Telegram also. Login password must be strong, contain latest numbers and a special character, same in security password. Invitation code is already given in description. You have to simply click on register. After register complete, you can see, friends, basic income will be 0.001 XRP per hour, and you have to simply click here and start mining. Your mining will be started here for next 24 hours. And friends, here you can click in check in. Okay, daily you have to also check in your accounts. You can get 0.05 XRP daily. So friends, now you can see I have 22 hours left my mining, and my mining is continue here. I already check in. Okay, in my account that is check in is complete. 0.05 XRP share invitation link. If you invite one friend here, you can get one XRP coin here, and number of invitation must be 6. Okay, then you will get one XRP coin here. If the number of invitation reach 15, you can get 2 XRP coins here. Share your invitation link, and if 50 people joined under your link, then you can get 35 XRP coins. If 100 people joined under your link, you can get 65 XRP coins. So this is huge, friends. Okay, so first of all, you can see this is free mining, but if you want to invest here, then there are also investment package here. You can to click in me. After clicking me, you have to click here in recharge. After clicking recharge, you can get your addresses. These are some different chain addresses, just like TRC20 USD, Tron, BEP20 USD, and BNB. Okay, so I'm going to deposit USD BEP20 here. Okay, USD BEP20. Simply I click USD BEP20, I copy contract address. Okay, BEP20 contract is now. You can go to your Trust Wallet, MetaMask, your Binance, OKX, everywhere where you have BEP20 USD. I can see, friends, in Trust Wallet I have 15.2 USD. Okay, because minimum level is 15 dollars. You can buy paste your address here, and you can click $15 here, and after that you can click here next. After clicking next, you can complete here. Okay, recharge when your amount will be sent from Trust Vault or from Binance or from anywhere else. After that, friends, you can go back and you can see your amount will be okay, recharge here successfully. After that, you can click here in electricity. You can see, friends, on electricity now my recharge wallet balance is also showing here. You can see mining energy, so you can now purchase $15 package valid for next 25 days. You can daily earn 0.7 XRP. In level 2, you can see accelerator 2 card. You can buy for $85 valid for next 28 days. Daily output is 4 XRP. In level 3, that is accelerator card 3, you can purchase $300 and daily 16 XRP for next 28 days. In card 4, you can purchase this with $1,000 package valid for next 45 days, and daily you can earn 57 USD. Just like that, they have many other packages just like this, $7,000. So I'm going to purchase this first package that is in $15. Just click here, buy it now, and let's see is buying or not. You can see, friends, so I'm going to purchase here. If you want to purchase this multiple, you can increase simply this number to 2 to 3, but I'm going to purchase this one, so simply I have select the one. My earning will be 0.7 XRP and 25 days. So I'm going to purchase one. Let's see, purchase. You can see, friends, purchase successfully. So now my amount is purchased here, and now my recharge wallet is 0. So now let's see in me. Now you can see, friends, my balance is also 0 here. And now in mine, you can also okay see that my mining basic income is now increased. Before that, there was 0.001 XRP per hour, but right now 0.003 XRP. And now I'm again clicking here in start mining. Okay, friends, now my mining is started here. You can see per hour now I can earn 0.03 XRP. So this is good, friends. clicking in team, you can get your invitation code here. This is your invitation link and this is your invite code. Okay, if anyone join under your code, as I already show you that you can earn huge commissions here in level 1. You can see level 2 up to level 3. Okay, 3 levels referral commission here. This is good. And how you can withdraw is also again very simple. You have to click on withdraw. After clicking withdraw, okay, you can see my current USD balance is $0.05, and you can withdraw in BP20 also, in TRC20, in BNB also. I'm going to withdraw on BP20. Okay, friends, so you can see actual amount arrived will be zero. Minimum withdraw is $1.5, but I told you that how you can make your withdraw. Simply go to Trust Wallet or Binance or anywhere else. You can copy USD BP20 address because I'm going to withdraw in this chain. You can see, friends, I have to paste my address here, withdraw address here, and enter withdraw amount. That minimum must be $1.5, just like this, and security password that we already put during in the registration. And withdraw fees is $0.075. After that, you can simply click on confirm, and your withdraw will be received into your Trust Wallet or Binance, wherever you wanna get your withdraw. As I will show you invitation also, and you can also read out this white paper. White paper is also here. And friends, if you have any problem, you can also contact their customer service also. And friends, you can convert your XRP into USDT. Okay, after that you can withdraw. Okay, just like this. You can see, friends, I have one XRP. Okay, one XRP is right now equal to $2.2. I have only 0.012 XRP, that will be equal to $0.02. After that, you can convert your XRP into USDT, and then you can make your USDT withdraw the address